give and take, receive, give and receive, give and take in order to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is give and take. And this is one we've talked about before. I don't remember exactly when because I didn't go back and check. But it's from the 1770s and it originated in horse racing, where bigger horses were actually given heavier loads to pull in a race than smaller horses were, because they wanted to make the race more fair, I guess. I don't know who came up with that idea, but back in the 1770s, that's what they did in horse racing. And the term give and take became popular. Now, give and take is an idiom that represents the idea that in order to be successful, we need to be willing to have some kind of a balance between giving and receiving. And nowhere else is this more evident than in our businesses. We have to give value to the people that we're here to serve, and then take and receive in return what it is that we're looking for. It's usually money, right? Money is the lubricant and exchange of value in the world. So that's the most common form of receiving. Giving can be products, services, coaching, which is a service, right? All different kinds of things. And it's up to you to find out, what do your customers need? What do the people that you want to serve need? What kind of problems do they have? How can you solve them? And then how are you going to deliver your solutions and results to them in order for them to want to exchange their money for your value, right? Money is an exchange of value. So I like this idiom. I think it's a great idiom. I've used it literally thousands of times throughout my life. And it ties to the law of reciprocity, the universal law of reciprocity. It's why so many marketers and so many businesses give something away for free up front in order to bring people into their business. It's why they have sales and coupons and free reports and free tools, right? Because they want to bring you into their business, into their world, so that you get a little taste of the value that they can provide you, and then you're willing later on to exchange your money, your hard-earned money usually, for the value or the products and services that they're providing to you. So I'd love to know your experience with this particular idiom and expression. I know it's pretty common in every area and aspect of our life, especially in relationships, right? We give what we want to receive back in our life. And we don't necessarily receive it from the person we give it to, but what we put out into the world, again, another universal law, I'm getting la-la and woo-woo here, is impacting all of us, whether we believe it or not. What we put into the world is what comes back to us. And it might not come back, again, from the person that we give it to, but it will come back to us. And the Bible says 6 to 10-fold, so I say be careful what you put out there. And that's why I always encourage everyone, let's make sure we're putting out into the world what we want to receive back. Make sure we're taking care of our customers, taking care of our business, doing business in an ethical, moral, positive way that makes the world a better place, right? Thinking about the impact of our decisions and our actions, because it does come back to us. All right, have an awesome day, holiday week here in the USA. So I'm hanging out with friends and family. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it? Because you don't have to do anything to supersize and grow your business.